Thank you students for sharing your magical words with us, and we are very happy to have the students like you and those who are studying so hard to give becoming a better citizen. Now it's the turn of the students of class 3rd to 5th, and they will recite a poem before you. So please get ready to listen to their poem.
Good morning, teacher. I Neti Sanghi from Standard 3rd C. Thank you, teacher, for guiding us, for inspiring us, for making us what we are today. Thank you, teacher, again. Bye-bye. Take care. Happy Teacher's Day.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kashman, class 3rd A. Today I am going to recite a poem. My teacher is the best. She never ever rests. She works hard day and night to make me very bright. She is like a mother to me. That is why I am not afraid to be me. One day when I am grow up, I would thank her for not giving a happy Teacher's Day to all my teachers. Thank you.
Good morning to Principal Sir, all the lovely teachers. Happy Teacher's Day to all of you. Today I recite a poem on Teacher's Day which is dedicated to all of you. सही क्या है, गलत क्या है, ये सब बताते हैं आप. झूठ क्या है और सच क्या है, ये सब समझाते हैं आप. जब सूझता नहीं कुछ भी, राहों को सरल बनाते हैं आप. जीवन के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप. बंद हो जाते हैं जब सारे दरवाजे, नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं आप. सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान ही नहीं, जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं आप. थैंक यू.
Thank you students for this wonderful poem which you have dedicated to your teachers. I now request my Honorable Principal Sir Mr. Yogendra Yadav to address the gathering and to give the valuable inputs to the students who are aspiring to be like him. You have motivated the students by being a living example and by sharing your expertise and knowledge. So, I would like to invite a Principal Sir to share your valuable words.
Honorable Chairman Advocate Prema Gupta ji, Secretary Sri Indrajit Gupta ji, Managing Director Dr. Amit Gupta ji, Academic Director Mrs. Dipali Gupta ji, Legal Advisor Advocate Sukhvarsa Gupta ji, parents, teachers, and my dear students, very good morning to all of you, and a warm and heartfelt virtual welcome to you. On this beautiful occasion, let me take the opportunity to convey my wishes to all the teachers who have given incapable contribution in shaping the career of students. Mother gives birth to child. Teacher gives life. That's why it is impossible to define teacher, as teachers are not only limited to teaching or guiding students in academics, but also helping students to take the right path. They add values to their character and make them ideal citizens of the country. As you all know, the day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He is more popular as a teacher rather than holding positions such as the second President of India and the first Vice President of India. This is an opportunity to pay tribute to all teachers for their selfless efforts and at the same time I would like to give a message to the parents of our loving students that you are the ultimate role model for children. Your every word, movement, and action has an impact on your child. No other person or outside force has a greater influence on a child than the parent. In short, parents are the children's first teacher. So I salute all the parents on this very day. In the last but not the least, I would like to sum up with a very beautiful saying. A teacher should inspire child to reach academic success. A parent should inspire their child to use that success in a way that influences positive change in the world. So let us jointly put efforts in bringing up the best of our children. Once again, wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.